Kawasaki Ninja 400 Best Motorcycle for Beginners. For many individuals, the allure of motorcycling is undeniable, but choosing the right bike as a beginner is essential. Enter the Kawasaki Ninja 400, a machine that blends exciting performance with beginner-friendly characteristics. With its perfect balance of power, agility, and user-friendly features, the Ninja 400 stands as a testament to Kawasaki's commitment to providing an optimal entry point into the world of motorcycling for beginners. Elevated performance for novices. At the heart of the Kawasaki Ninja 400 is a 399cc parallel twin engine that offers a compelling blend of power and control. This engine strikes a balance between thrilling acceleration and manageable power delivery, allowing new riders to enjoy spirited rides without feeling overwhelmed. Confidence-boosting handling. The Ninja 400's lightweight chassis and nimble handling characteristics are designed to inspire confidence. Novice riders can easily maneuver through city streets and take on corners with precision. This handling prowess not only promotes skill development but also encourages riders to explore various riding scenarios. Comfortable riding ergonomics. Kawasaki has carefully considered rider comfort in the design of the Ninja 400. Its slightly sporty yet upright riding position strikes a balance between control and comfort, minimizing strain on the wrists and back during longer rides. This ergonomic approach ensures that riders can enjoy their time on the bike without compromising comfort. Sleek and sporty design. The Ninja 400's aesthetics capture the essence of sport-oriented riding. Its sleek and aggressive styling is reminiscent of Kawasaki's Ninja lineage, appealing to riders with an affinity for speed and performance. The bike's visual appeal not only draws attention but also reflects its capabilities on the road. Advanced safety features. Safety is paramount, especially for beginners, and the Ninja 400 offers essential safety features to support new riders. Optional ABS enhances braking control, preventing will lock-up and enabling confident stops, even in unpredictable road conditions. Responsive acceleration. The Ninja 400's engine responsiveness, combined with its linear power delivery, offers an ideal platform for new riders to experience the thrill of acceleration. Its progressive power curve empowers riders to accelerate confidently without sudden surges, making it an excellent choice for those still refining their riding skills. Track potential for skill growth. The Ninja 400 is not just a beginner's bike, it's a machine that accommodates skill progression. While its approachable nature suits novice riders, its sport-oriented design and performance capabilities make it an exciting choice for those who want to explore track days and hone their riding abilities. Strong resale value. The Kawasaki Ninja series has a strong reputation, and the Ninja 400 is no exception. Its popularity among both new and experienced riders ensures that it retains strong resale value, making it a solid investment for beginners who might consider upgrading in the future. Community and enthusiast support. The Ninja community is a vibrant one, filled with enthusiasts who share a passion for Kawasaki's sport-oriented lineup. For beginners, this community provides valuable resources, advice, and a sense of camaraderie that enhances the overall riding experience. Long-term enjoyment. The Kawasaki Ninja 400's combination of performance, handling, safety features, and sporty design ensures that it remains a satisfying choice for riders beyond their initial stages. Its adaptability to different riding scenarios and its capacity to challenge and reward riders make it a bike that can accompany them throughout their motorcycling journey. Conclusion. The Kawasaki Ninja 400 is a testament to the brand's dedication to delivering an exhilarating yet approachable motorcycling experience for beginners. With its well-balanced power, agile handling, safety features, and iconic Ninja design, the Ninja 400 provides a seamless transition into the world of motorcycling. It empowers novices to embark on their riding journey with enthusiasm, confidence, and the promise of thrilling experiences while ensuring their safety and skill development along the way.